Okay, chicos, here is a review of los reflexivos. What are they? Why do we use them? And how do they work? Okay, so what are reflexive verbs? Reflexive verbs are actions that we do to ourselves. A reflexive verb would be I wash my hands, me lavo las manos, right? It's an action that we're doing to ourselves. Versus non-reflexive, I wash the dishes. Yo lavo los platos. Why do we use reflexive verbs? Again, we use them to talk about things that we do to ourselves. So we use these with our daily routine, our rutina diaria, things like getting up, putting on clothes, washing our faces, taking a shower. All of those are examples. I brush my hair, me cepillo el pelo. That is reflexive. It's something that I do to myself. Versus non-reflexive, I brush the cat, yo cepillo el gato. So how do reflexive verbs work? There's two things we need to do every single time we use a reflexive verb. We have to have our reflexive pronoun, and these go before our conjugated verb. Our reflexive pronouns are me for I do something to myself, te, you do something to yourself, se, he or she or usted, you formal, do something to yourself. Nos we use for we do something to ourselves. Os is y'all do something to yourself. And then our second se is they do something to themselves, or ustedes do something to themselves. After we pick the right reflexive pronoun, then we just need to use our regular conjugations. They're the same conjugations we use in the present tense for any of our AR, ER, or IR verbs. So if I wanted to say, I brush my teeth, I say, me cepillo los dientes. Okay, so I want you to, using what we just reviewed, I want you to write all 6 conjugations of cepillarse and bañarse. Remember, for each conjugation, you need to pick the reflexive pronoun, and then you conjugate the verb. So if I want to say, I do something, I need to pick me as my reflexive pronoun, and then my verb conjugation ends in O. Here are our 6 conjugations for cepillarse. Me cepillo is I brush, is like, let's talk about our teeth. Me cepillo, I brush my teeth. Te cepillas, you brush. Se cepilla, he or she brushes. Nos cepillamos, we brush. Os cepilláis, y'all brush. And then se cepillan is they brush. Bañarse, which is to bathe or to take a bath. Me baño, I bathe myself or I take a bath. Te bañas, you bathe yourself. Se baña, he or she bathes themselves. Nos bañamos, we bathe ourselves. Os bañáis, y'all bathe yourselves or y'all take a bath. And then se bañan, they bathe themselves. Hopefully this little review helps you out.